answer to that was drop this down and stop over here. So then I'd have a counter there, wouldn't I? Hit him somewhere else. And it comes on to passing, taking chunks out and other things, right? So there's more to do. But this is what you get time for. In there, straight in, okay, comes with the knife. Okay, round, stab, okay? And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 again. This will take us into turning 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You with me? We're also going to do 10 on the inside as well. So the student will learn development, they do the 4 first and 4 on the outside like you're going to do now. And then you start putting this way here, comes with a knife, and I hit it. Now look at 4, that's the 10 count, you see? Right? So we're doing 4 around there first, and then we go with the 10, and then 10 all the way around. And then if I went back in, so I went like this, hit the 10 into there, comes with the knife, I hit that, I come here, then I've done the 10. Then he feeds in, bang, then I come round, then I thrust, and then I do the 4, then back in, and then I do the 10. So just done 2 lots.